Wow, I think the sky is. Wow, see the sky, guys. Yeah, nice. I think is the weather is good already. Not like just like the past days. Every day raining. Every day raining. Then see sun there. So wow. Every day raining. Then cannot make dry laundry. So many clothes. Hard to make it dry. Then we go to tumble dry or the laundry shop. Feeling happy today. It's got sun. All my laundries will get dry. In the sky though. Nice. I'm here outside behind the my place. So one so nice the windy. Nakaraan parang first time ko feeling winter here. So cold. I've been many years staying here already in Singapore, but just that day I'm so feel cold. All my feeling goosebumps my skin. I thank God today is the hot weather's come back again. See, oh, the sun in my face. Behind my trees. Nice. See the leaves. I fond of environment also. I like nice. This is NG guys. Later I vlog another food and share to you guys. See you later. This one I cooked a while ago. Garlic. I just fried a bit. First, I peel the skin and chop this thing because I need later in my recipe with prawn. Just put a medium heat. When you fry it, don't burn. So strong the fragrance. So garlicky. Okay. Put Grabe ang lalaki ng ano, prawn ko. Sasha part. Yeah, big guys. See. Yes, prawn. open like this. Then put the salt or just open everything. Place in a pan, a tin, baking tin. Then just put it back. Put black pepper. Then sea salt. Just sprinkle on top. After that, use this next to put garlic bits. I made while ago. Just put like this. So this one, third step. First, I put salt. Next, the black pepper, and then I put this one, the garlic bits on top. I think better I use my hands. Anyway, my hand is clean like that. Then put this one. Use a cheese with it. Put on top. Okay. Time to put inside the oven. It's ready. Everything. There you go, guys. And then don't forget to put oil before you put inside the oven. Anyway, prawn is easy to cook and depends how big your seafoods or your prawn. For me, I think is 5 minutes is okay. Not so big. Then here we go. Let's jump into inside the oven. Here we go, guys. You see inside is still juicy. There, juicy. Then when you eat, you can put calamansi juice or lime juice. It's juicy. There you go, guys. Nice. Sarap.